Hey guys, Angel here with the Bullish Bears team, and I am making the watch list video for tomorrow, October 18th. So it is a Friday, so I'm just making the day trade, which I actually made the day trade watch list because there weren't a ton of setups on the scan. So I just picked the 4 best ones, and then I will show you why I chose the ones that I did. So that way you didn't have to see me scrolling through a bunch of no good plays. So I have the S&P futures pulled up. If you zoom out on the daily, it sort of looks like a V bottom pattern. It also looks a little bit of a double bottom when zoomed out. When you zoom in, you can see a bull flag. You can sort of see this cup and handle. So it does look bullish on the futures. All right, so we'll take a look at ENDP. Now, don't forget that it's earnings season, so sometimes trading around earnings season isn't always the most fun, but these have earnings in late October, early November, so that should be better. So we can see on the daily chart, sort of had this small ascending triangle that it broke out of. On the daily chart, looks a little bit double bottomish. If we look at the hourly, you can see a bull flag on the hourly. So I like the patterns that I see. All right, so we'll do bull flag on hourly. Watch for, I just let that change to below. And this is an easy to borrow stock, so you can short this. If it doesn't go bullish tomorrow, you can short it. So this is a good one to short as well. Watch for resistance at 200 SMA on daily. All right, and then we have AKRX. So this one is holding its highs on the day. And you can see that it's going to run into resistance around $5 and then around $5.50. So again, whole and half dollars are psychological support and resistance, and it is riding the 9 right on up. So I like that it's holding its highs. I like that it's riding the 9. It's not overextended. It's really just riding it. So, and it had this push right off the 9 EMAs. So I like that as well. Stock holding its highs on the day, riding the 9. Watch for resistance around 5 and 5.50. Right, then we have CRCM. And you can see a bit of like an imperfect head and shoulders. It's just pushing up right off of the 9 again on the hourly. I'm sorry, the daily. I think my internet went out. And now, yep, and now it's coming back. All right, and then on the hourly, it's sort of this imperfect bull flag. So you can see also double bottom broke out with a bull flag. So hopefully it just goes ahead and continues tomorrow. We'll have a good continuation day. So, bull flag on hourly. Watch for resistance around $11.50 and $12. That is CRCM. So our last one is going to be CRR. And I actually might be changing my mind now because, So I want to see it get above this 50 or 200. If it gets above the 200, then it's going to run into resistance around $3. If we look at it on the hourly, you can sort of see a big inverse head and shoulders, and then it is a little overextended, so it may just come back to test equilibrium before pushing price up. And it's a little bit of a cup and handle, so I like that it was pretty much near the highs as well. Inverse head and shoulders on hourly. If price can get above, I believe it's 260 is the 200 on the daily. Watch for resistance around $3. And that is going to be the watch list for tomorrow, which is a Friday. I have found that making watch lists for Friday less is more when it comes to the watch list, because Fridays are sort of a day where traders are closing their positions before the weekend, or it's Friday, so they just go ahead and take it off. So the trading volume can be a little sparse on Friday, so less is more when it comes to making a watch list. So if you aren't a member yet, or if you are and you just need some brushing up, you can take our courses on Fridays, or you can join us in our trade rooms. I think Creed is going to be streaming tomorrow. I do Tuesdays, and we just look at the market live during the most volatile hours for day trading, and we try and find plays, and we look at what's going off on the scanners. Anyone that has questions can ask. So if you can't really find anything to trade, it would be a good day to come in and ask questions and see what other people, like our streamers, are trading on a day that can sort of be yucky when it comes to trading. So if you aren't a member yet, you can just head right over here and subscribe. And we've got our 14-day free trial on our monthly. Once the trial is up, you are signed up to the monthly, so you need to make sure that if you don't want to get charged, you got to cancel before the 14 days are up or at the 14 days. And then we have our yearly, which is $300, and that's comes out to about $25 a month. So that is pretty cheap, and we offer a lot of great stuff. And our next level training library is a really great deal. They offer so many in-depth techniques, and even if you watch my streams or even watch the replays, if you're a member, you can watch the replays, and I talk about the Ride the 9 strategy a lot. I really like the Ride the 9 strategy, and they have a whole video on that in our next level training library. You get our custom scanner settings, you get access to our webinars, and it's just a really great deal. So Bullish Bears is a steal of a deal, so y'all should just join up, and then you can watch me stream on Tuesdays, and you can go ahead and ask questions to any of our streamers, and you get to hear me talk a little football or make sports analogies to match with trading, because I really love sports. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. You should like and share and comment and become a member. You can follow us on social media with our Twitter, our Instagram, and our Facebook, and I think we have Pinterest too. So give us a follow on social media, give us a follow on YouTube, and I hope y'all have a great day and a good trading weekend, and we'll see y'all later.